magaca Miski Miski maanta maxaa u timid maxaa u timid maanta shirka muxuu ku saabsan yahay Ogaadenya do you know what about Ogaadenya
That's the freedom has you.
Freedom
Yeah.
that's true Miski what's your name
Sam.
Samsam and how do you see Samsam the meeting today
I'm good.
it's good what is about the meeting
About listening to the sheikh.
about
Listening to the sheikh.
listening to the sheikh thank you so much hi what about you what's your name
Nafisa.
Nafisa what is this conference about
It's about Ogaadenya and how to help the girls and the boys. And
girls
the parents.
and the boys
And the mom.
thank you so much what about you
Mom. You
Famo what about this conference
about
something
stopping the war. Stopping the war.
something in the war
Stopping.
okay
Saving the war.
saving in the war okay thank you so much